Hello children. So in our earlier classes we have read the new story, The Frogs and the Boys, and we have completed the chapter. So today we will do the question answers of each. Okay, I will provide the word meanings of the from the story in your WhatsApp group. Now we will read or we will learn the question answers from the exercises. So come to check your understanding. Why did the boy's eyes shine with mischief? Answer will be the boy's eyes shone with mischief because the answer is written in page number 18, third line, that they thought a fine game watching the frogs. So you can write only because they thought a fine game. So the question is, why did the boy's eyes shine with mischief? The answer is, the boy's eyes shine with mischief because they thought a fine game. Okay. What did the boys do? The boys started throwing stones at the frogs. The boys started throwing stones at the frogs. What did the old frog tell the boys? Now the answer will be, the old frog told the boys, or you can also write requested the boys, told or requested the boys not to throw stones at them. So the third answer will be, the old frog told the boys or requested the boys not to throw stones at them. Okay. Now come to the fourth question. What did the boys do then? Wait a minute. The question is, what did the boys do then? The boys realized their mistake or their fault and went away. So the boy realized their fault and went away. So let's read the answers once again. The boy's eyes shone with mischief because they thought a fine game. What was the fine game? The fine game was throwing stones at the frogs. Those are coming in and out. Okay. The boys started throwing stones at frogs. The question is, what did the boys do? The boys started throwing stones at the frogs. Third question, what did the old frog tell the boys? The old frog came up and the old frog told and requested the boys not to throw stones at them. Now student, just focus. I have put one slash. I have drawn one slash and I have told you that you can write the old frog told or requested. So or means definitely choice. In conjunction also you will be reading or. Or is giving one option or a choice. So you can pick only one. Either you can write told or you can write requested. The frog requested the boys not to throw stones at them. And the fourth one, what did the boys do then? The boys realized their fault and went away. So these are the answers of the question. Now come to the action time. In the action time, that is very interesting. You have to write 5 things which you like but is not useful for others. So you have to write 5 things and you have to be very honest, which might hurt somebody or someone else. First of all will be throwing stones. Throwing stones. You like throwing stones, we all like throwing stones, but it is harmful for other animals or other living things. Second is pulling legs. Sometimes we pull legs of our friends, no, we poking our friends. We are disturbing our friends, but it is not good for him or her. If someone is continuously making fun of others, that is not good. So pulling legs of, or you can also write making fun of friends. Making fun of others, right? Others. Third is you say tearing leaves or plucking flowers from plants. So you can write tearing leaves from plants. Okay. Now fourth and fifth, what you don't like really. So making fun of others, throwing stones, tearing leaves from plants. Now the others two you have to think and write. Okay, I am not going to write the other two, although I will provide it in your WhatsApp group, but still I won't say this. You think and you tell what you like, but that is harmful for others. Okay, so now come to the next. There are some sports in which animals are treated very cruelly. Bullfighting is one of them. Can you name some more? So yes, fire jumping. You can write fire jumping where there is a fire ring. There is a ring like this and fire is there around the ring, and the animals are forced to jump through this. Okay, sometimes animals are forced to jump through this. This is not good for them also, and this may be harmful for them. So bullfighting is not good, and also fire jumping, this is not good for the animals. Fun with language. Here we have one word, fine. Fine can be used in different way. And now you have to think another word which can be differently used, which you can differently use within a sentence. Suppose if you take the word good. Good. You can write he is a good boy. He is a good boy. Now if someone asks you how are you, you can also say I am good. I am good. good. Okay, and in sometimes we say that goods, Goods, goods means luggage. So we know that goods means also luggage. So these are fun with words. I will provide more words in your WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.